Okay, so pandas time series indexed by time, right? When panda time series tools really become useful is when we index data by timestamps. I'm looking on the time series data. So time series data, right? Mainly you date times and date times in columns. So this is like index one on five. There are a lot of things that we can do. So once we index, make that column, the date time column, right? We index one I will see. It'll make our job really easy, right? So, for example, you can construct a series object that has a time index data, right? So let's look at this. I'm just gonna copy this. Let me just copy this. Paste it here. So simply here, so there we have index. Okay. So an index is equal to pd dot datetime index use pandas object, right? Datetime index object, and this much I'm simply as the list of dates, right? And the list of dates as string, right? As string dates, right? So we format more ones in format. So you're going to see now we'll have index. Index object, right? So we have this index. So it's a datetime index object, and these are the individually case when you're datetime zero. You string these are strings, right? Each of them is a string. Each of the dates is a string, right? Obviously, once you do this, you return you get datetime index, right? And use individual use, and these are not a string anymore. String void. What are they? They are D type. What is the D type? D type is datetime 64. See, datetime 64 objects, right? See? Now these are string that you say over key type by our each date and key object. Are they string? String what? Hello? Is it making sense, or are you there?
Yes, sir.
Yes, okay. Sir. Yeah. But if you harek object, harek you string okay. Is this a string? Okay. Use is your string okay. Your string, your string. Over your D type when you D type banal array D type banal the individual elements will go type, individual elements will type. Whenever see individual elements of the inner ones, the items, individual items. Items for type keyword.
Date, sir.
Date time also. For the keyword. Date time. Okay. Date time.
64. Date time 60.
That's right. Date time 60. Okay. NumPy. Right? NumPy. Date time 64. Okay. So saying, so this is a date time 64. That's the date time 64. It's a date time 64 objects. And this was a string of. So okay. So did you understand?
Yes, sir.
Okay, very good. Okay. So it's a date time 64. Right? Okay. Now let's make a series. And a series just make it. I'm index ones. Okay. assembly ke garau bhandakhari sir series is equal to vid.series, right? vid.series, and यसमा हामी के गरौँ भन्दाखेरि अब यसमा values, what are the values used? Let's just give anything. Okay? So I can say कतिवटा यहाँ कतिवटा index sets 1 2 3 4 चारवटा indices. Let's give it A, B, and then C र D गरौँ, right? Okay. अनि त्यसपछि हामीले त्यसमा index, right? Index is equal to यसको index, right? यिनीहरुको यो explicit index के दिन्छ कसरी दिन्छ index equal, index equal to के हो यो index दियो index equal to index गरौँ, है सो त्यो गर्यो भने सो हेर्नुस् त के भयो भन्दाखेरि यिनीहरु के भयो what are these
Index.
values भयो index values हैन जस्तै मैले sir dot index गर्यो भने के आउँछ यो सबै index which is date times 64 data यो सबै date times 64 हैन त्यसै गरी sir dot values गर्यो भने के आउँछ abcd आउँछ हैन okay makes sense right okay. So now once we have that now we can do a lot of things. You can see let's say I want the 2015 ko matra date sai and you see kati simple see the okay series so मलाई 2015 ko matra date चाहियो भने I can just do sir हैन अनि I can do rather 2015 को मात्रै दियो है ओके see कति सिम्पल सिरिज को 2015 लेखेपछि ठ्याक्कै 2015 को मात्रै डेटा दियो है ओके त्यसै गरी मैले अब स्लाइसिङ पनि गर्न सक्छु जस्तै मलाई 2015 January 1st देखि है 2016 December 31st right? Or rather 2015 let's try this 2015 January June 6th right June 1st right June 1st देखि right? I want from here to 2015 so 2015 let's see 7 July July 31st so यो गरे भने के आउँछ होला कुन आउँछ ABCD मध्ये कुन चाहिँ भ्यालु छ
B sir.
B आउँछ
B मात्रै आउँछ oh wait yeah thanks
B मात्र आउँछ
that's right what if I put 16
B र C आउँछ
okay very good see here's then because 2015 June 1st भनेपछि you exclude भयो है यो include भयो and this was 731 see July 31st भनेपछि July 31st यो रेन्ज भित्र पर्यो र यो चाहिँ परेन so very good okay so कति सिम्पल भयो हेर्नुस् त यो यस्तो यो लाखौं डेटा हुन्छ त्यसमध्ये हामीले सिम्पली यसो गरेर हामीले कति सजिलोसँग हामीले चाहेको डेटा लिन्छ okay so it makes it really convenient okay so okay so let's see pandas time series data structures the fundamental data structures for working with time series data are as follows timestamp which we have seen before right for timestamps pandas provides the timestamp type please note that it is essentially a replacement for Python's native date time okay all right based on what date time 64 this d type date time 64 so Okay. Time periods को लागि we have period type हुन्छ है अनि यसको corresponding index के हुन्छ भन्दाखेरि यसको of course fixed frequency interval based on daytime 64 है अनि associated index के हुन्छ period index हुन्छ त्यस्तै गरी डेल्टासमा time delta हुन्छ same thing सबै नेम numpy delta यसमा numpy dot time delta 64 है so okay the most fundamental चाहिँ हामीले चाहिने भनेको चाहिँ time stamp र daytime index है okay so जुन कि हामीले युज गरिसक्यौं अनि एकदमै सजिलो कन्भिनियन्ट फंक्सन के छ you have pd and pandas dot to date time है to date time okay अब यो गर्यो भने चाहिँ हामीले यो इन्डिभिजुअल वरि गर्न पर्दैन है यसले पहिलो कुरा यसले के गर्छ भने it can parse a wide variety of formats date formats है pd dot to date time ले अनि के गर्छ भन्दाखेरि यसले चाहिँ it always gives us what time stamp यसले के रिटर्न गर्छ भने date time object के फर्म भन्दा टाइम स्ट्याम्प अब्जेक्ट भनिन्छ है अनि त्यसको इन्डेक्स जहिले पनि के भन्छ भने डेट टाइम इन्डेक्स हुन्छ है त्यो ओके विल सी दैट है अब त्यो हामीले यसले के रिटर्न गर्छ pd.toDateTime ले भन्दाखेरि इट गिव्स अस टाइम स्ट्याम्प त्यसको इन्डेक्स चाहिँ डेट टाइम इन्डेक्स हुन्छ विल सी दैट है त हेर्नुस् है सो यसमा let's try this it is if I do this date time 64 yo bhayo ani is minus all right so see look at this okay. So pd dot to date time ani हामीले यहाँ विभिन्न भेराइटीको डेट्सहरु दिएको छौं है एउटा यो हाम्रो native date time native date time object or Python date time object जुन कि हामीले हिजो हेरेको थियौं नि है यसरी दियौ 15th of July 2020 है विभिन्न फर्मेट्स all of them are different formats है so 2018-June-5 है अनि हरेक फर्मेट डिफरेन्स you see there are different formats even यसमा त अब यो के छ के पनि यहाँ बीचमा सेपरेटर पनि छैन 2014-0304 see so all kinds so सबैले यसले पार्स गर्छ कति सजिलोसँग पार्स गर्छ see so if I do this enter and then see dates see सबै पार्स गरिदियो है and see so did it do it right let's say 2016-28 yes perfect right 15th of July 2020 see 2020 July 15th very good right 2018 June 5 2018 June भनेको 6 भयो हैन 8/6/2017 भनेपछि के भयो अगस्त हैन 2017 अगस्त 6 भयो है सो यो सबै प्लस यहाँ so 2014-0304 है so सबैलाई I mean it मजाले without any problem यसले पार्स गरिदियो है अनि त्यसको डेट टाइम के छ डेट यो चाहिँ के भयो भने डेट टाइम 64 है डेट टाइम 64 okay so here's the index okay here's the index code okay so now this is index right this is index the datetime index man and we see over yo now we can use this as index in another data could you data you as index here is an index right it's your pd.toDateTime हामीलाई चाहिँ date time index दिन्छ है अनि यो गरेपछि now we can use it in any other data frame or series as index दिन सकिन्छ right okay so you want any date time index can be converted to period index right period index मा राख्न सकिन्छ है use with the to period function with the addition of frequency code है यसलाई चाहिँ अब अर्को period जस्तै यहाँ यसमा there's no period and यसमा यो frequency none छ नि है frequency लाई हामीले त्यो frequency त्यो period गरेर यो चेन्ज गर्न मिल्छ जस्तै अब यो dates छ हैन dates dot we can do to period this can see we can change the frequency right frequency yeah frequency given छैन हामीले यसलाई day frequency दिन सकिन्छ है again non है non थियो अब यो period index मा गएर के भयो frequency day भयो है day frequency we'll use that मैले पछि हामी we'll actually look at examples frequency is d है अनि यो गरेपछि now we can do अर्को चाहिँ के भन्दा time delta index छ भने time delta index is created for example when one date is subtracted from another okay? with date बाट एउटा date बाट अर्को date हटायो भने चाहिँ के हुन्छ भने time delta index आउँछ as you can see here so मैले I do dates will dates minus हैन अनि dates अनि जस्तै कुनै एउटा second date in मैले अब यो हटाउँछु के त this is यसलाई हटाउँछुदाखेरि dates 1 है dates 1 dates 0 dates यो चाहिँ array हो नि त हैन index 0 index 1 index 2 index 3 index 4 index 1 हटाउँछु है त हरेक डेट बाट यो हटाउने भने है हरेक डेट बाट we will subtract this one second one है index 1 है so त्यो गर्दाखेरि हेर्नुस् त so you see के छ 1599 days अगाडि छ है 2010 यो डेट भन्दा 1579 डेज अगाडि छ है पास्ट माइनस भनेको पास्ट है अब योबाट आफैमा आफै घटाउँदा 0 डेज आउने नि भयो है अनि त्यसपछि सेम थिङ हेर्नुस् त सो यो चाहिँ 771 दिन अगाडि छ एन्ड सो अन है ओके अनि यसको टाइप के भयो टाइम डेल्टा 64 टाइम डेल्टा 64 each of these are टाइम डेल्टा 64 भयो है अनि टाइम डेल्टा इन्डेक्स यसको रिजल्ट केमा आयो टाइम डेल्टा इन्डेक्स है ओके ओके अब यो सबै एक्जाम्पलमा गर्दाखेरि तपाईहरुले अहिले क्लियर हुन्छ यो धेरै कुराहरु अब अहिले यतिकै गर्दाखेरि अब के भइरहेको so don't worry notes are so please go through them try them out you need to try them. Okay okay regular sequences vid.d okay so in order to make the creation of regular date sequences more convenient pandas provides a few functions vid.do date range for timestamps vid.period range for periods time delta range for time deltas right? Just like range turns to start point and end point and optional step size into a sequence vid.range date range accepts the start date and end date and the optional frequency to create a regular sequence of dates. You know, the regular sequence of dates is simple steps. So all I need to do is this, right? vid.date range. So you got it when you see you bichako and you you bichako you separate dates by default frequency day frequency see 3 देखि 7 सम्म सबै दियो including 7 है including the last one दिन्छ there right okay so 2015 February 3rd देखि see अनि because यसमा February 28 counts normally leap year मात्र 29 so if I give for example मैले 27 day 26 दियो भने July 2nd really के गर्छ see 26 27 28 February सिद्धियो अनि March 1 March 2 है यसरी दिन्छ okay so pd.date range right त्यस्तै गरी we have the date range can be specified not with the start right but with start point and a number of periods अब date range को है हामीले यसरी पनि गर्न सकिन्छ periods है periods पनि दिन सकिन्छ यसमा चाहिँ यसरी नदिकन हामीले कति चाहिँ हैन सो त्यसलाई यसरी यसलाई है periods is equal to मैले 7 नै दिए भने यहाँदेखि यो स्टार्टिङ देखि 7 दिन अगाडिसम्म सो यो भयो 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 वटा छ नि त हेर्नुस् त 2015 to 26 देखि स्टार्ट भएर है अनि 7 दिन है यो इन्क्लुडिङ यो सँग 7 दिन सो यो 0 भयो 1 2 3 4 5 6 यसमा 1 एड गर्दै जान्छ कि 26 27 28 अनि फेब्रुअरी 28 भयो अनि मार्च 1st मार्च 2nd मार्च 3rd मार्च 4th है यसरी पिरियड्स सो हामीले अब त्यसैले हामीले फ्रिक्वेन्सी पनि चेन्ज गर्न सकिन्छ है यसैमा हामीले this change the frequency है त्यसको हामीले frequency is equal to let's see 7 day there hour let's try and by default के हुन्छ frequency by default के हुन्छ अघि हामीले देखियो very good obviously hourly hourly h hourly by 2026 0 default सुरुमा 0 हुन्छ है midnight अनि first hour second hour third hour हैन रातिको 1 AM 2 AM हैन अनि 3 AM 4 AM and likewise 6 है सातवटासम्म है okay so frequency is this thing हामीले minute frequency minute frequency मा यसले चाहिँ month मा लिने चाहिँ m भनेको यसले capital small m let's try this probably give you the see यसले यो case sensitive छैन minutes like something beyond so we'll again अहिले chart so we'll look at chart so यो गर्दाखेरि के भयो monthly so period चाहिँ के भयो month मा है 2 3 4 5 6 month monthly frequency right? So I think probably we can do year as well. Let's try this year periods 15 16 17 18 okay okay so we can change the frequency okay all right so to create regular sequences of periods time deltas period range okay functions are useful okay you have गरिहाल्यो okay frequency month भयो frequency hour we just did it right time delta range so only got period range and this you can do time delta range right? Time delta range we can also create a sequence of duration increasing the hour right? So you got like pd dot time delta index right? And you're thinking increasing by hour right okay so see 0 सुरुमा 0 छ सुरुमा 0 hour 0 hour 1 hour 2 and so on okay likewise okay all right so frequencies and offsets the concept of frequencies frequency we have been using a lot of frequencies minutes like t days right even at the hours okay so t is for minutes, s is for seconds. So something code here's the code. Right? The L one in milliseconds, U in microseconds, and so on. Okay? This is day, this is month, this is quarter. Okay, so frequency and offsets. Is your code is it's a minute more than t. Even in a minute. 7 minute times 1 2 minute. Your second one this is minute. Second one going to s is likewise. That's the second one. Your nanosecond, millisecond, nanosecond. I give n see nanosecond. I understand. Nano when you put into about -9 right? 9 order. Right? Second 10 to the power 9 1 billion right? 1 billion 1 billion nanosecond or x second see nano no word so no word 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 words nanoseconds okay use nanosecond use so many nanoseconds sorry so many nanosecond at the end of the so let's see hour minutes any Your whole thing is a second. The second layer only 1 billionth, right? 1 billionth of a second, right? 0% no word as right? All right. Okay, so okay, yes, if we can use that. It's my business day book, right? Business day, business month, business quarter. So your business day, whenever see, it doesn't count the say Saturday, Sundays, and non-business days are telecom, right? Saturday, Sunday count. Kali, right? Business day or nothing. So let's try it. Hey, just the same. If I do business day, say BV. It's not a fixed frequency. Okay, so hey, you missed that. It's not the so business day. Business day is a non-fixed frequency. Not fixed. Business day. But we'll use this. You use Gauss. Again, examples. Use Gauss. Okay, so resampling, shifting, and windowing. Okay, so Pandas provides several additional time series specific operations. Okay, so as Pandas, we develop knowledge in financial context in some very specific tools or financial data. Okay, but it's mostly you really Google को this part of it. Okay, I'll show you now. You Google को your data ने पहले यो काम गर्थ्यो अलिअलि काम गर्न छोडेको So I'll use Microsoft data. So we'll analyze Microsoft stock data, historical data. So let me analyze that. So let me see. Let me get that. Okay. So this. So. So let me go there first. And so that's analysis. Okay, so we start. Okay, so now I am going to open that. Try again. 11. So yeah, it's visible. Okay, so anyway, so we can work on this one. So it's like it's on PD dot reads history. Let's analyze a real data, a real the Microsoft stock data. Let's try it. So you see, pipeline is and this you see your files, Microsoft stock and it's so you say I've already provided that. So the Microsoft folder share that it's all there. Even you notebook. So let's see. You like more read so let's try something. This I need that data. Your data is much higher, so I need to CD that. So, CLI. Your face. Look at the. So what I'll do is this. I will. Let's talk. And I can go back to this data. Using data files. So it's yeah, there's Microsoft stock feed, Microsoft Word, and it's yeah, there's and then I can. I need to access this data. Your data will access. Okay. So probably what I can do is this. Let's try this. You got it. Let's see. Yeah, that's here. Let's try this one. So now I have this. Yeah, that's so I am university student with data, right? Okay. I think I can start. You got it. Now their data is the OD amounts and so I'll get that. It's open. So see now I can YouTube. So every time there is saying, so what I'll do is stop this entire your system is going to